Hello. We have a problem here with this Camry rear view mirror clicker that switch between day mode and night mode, and I tried everything. It looks like there's no way other than replacing it. Of course, maybe you can say it's a chance for you to upgrade to auto dimming mirrors, and I don't like them really. They don't get dark enough at night. So I just ordered this from my local dealer, and I discovered why it's bad quality. It says made in USA. It's not made in Japan. So this is the part number, and this is how it looks from the back. It's upside down. This is what it says here. Model 50 whatever. So anyway, it's not an upgrade, it's just replacing. So maybe you're watching this video to know how to remove this because of this thing here that covers the intelligent camera. And what I see, you can just pull it downwards. You can just push it this way. Let me use one hand here. It is two pieces here, as you can see, but we're trying to first to pull it down. As you see here, I'm going to hold it here and push it down from the top. You see my fingers. I'm going to push it down. Now it's pushed down. And you pull the mirror downward so you can have enough room. So it's loose now. So, okay. Okay, as you see, I pulled the mirror all the way down so I can slide this. Now, let me show you what happened exactly. Okay, once you slide it here, these are the tabs that goes back. What you do, I took it away from the mirror so I can film it. These two tabs need to be pressed inward and pushed. So once you release this part, you slide it out. These are the two tabs here that you slide out, but first you need to release these two by pushing them inward like this. Okay, now the cover is out of the way with this one. Luckily we didn't break anything. We'll go up to the mirror and push it all the way up so we have enough room. This is what we need to do the job. It's let me see, get a better focus. It's 22. If you don't have the number, just look at the old one. It's going to have a screw, and you're going to match it with it. This is what I did. I looked into my toolbox and I looked at the screw that came with the replacement part, and I found that this size is the perfect size. I believe it's 22, but anyway, I'm gonna zoom in here, and okay, right, I'm gonna stop filming because I need both hands to work, and I'm gonna show you the end result. Okay, you don't have to remove it all the way. Okay, now let's see if we can take it out. Yep, it's out. Let's just slide it. Well, that was easy. This is how it looks without the mirror. Now this is the broken one. We're gonna put the new one. Okay. Okay. Just be careful. All right. Push it all the way and then screw it. Okay, as you can see here, okay. First you need to attach the orange tabs first here. You slide it and then you follow it with this one. So this one first and then this one. Okay, I'll try to do it with one hand. Okay, now we latch the top ones, then we squeeze it to the glass and we slide it up. Okay, and now the job is done. Okay, I hope this is helpful. And this is a Camry 2021, but this video applies to from 2018 up to 2023. Just replacing a broken mirror. Yep.